So, I've done it again. What have I done? Didn't film my latest installation on the Beetle. So, as I say, I was checking this over because I'm going to use it, and suddenly realised I haven't got any horn or anything. The horn push was missing, obviously, in this sports steering wheel, and yeah, there was no other horn to be found anywhere. So got the hazard, got washers, lights, and wipers and that. So I fitted this bad boy. Self-explanatory, horn. So we have a working horn. Yeah, pretty straightforward. 20 quid for the set, with including the relay all wired up. So you just basically have to connect the negative and positive through your switch, and bosh, away you go. Legal, easy peasy. Anyway, that's all I wanted to say. Bye.